Om Namah Shivaya. It's an amazing conch. It's a right open, left open conch. When I keep like this conch is left open, this conch is right open. When I turn upside, you see, this conch become left open, this conch become right open. It's an amazing conch. Same conch you can take as a right open, left open. It is collected from Indian Ocean. It's a miracle left open, right open conch. Same conch you can take in any direction. Same conch you can take in any direction, left open and right open, left open, right open. It's a very very interesting conch. It's a Mahalakshmi conch. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. See, this is a close-up view of right open, left open conch. See, this conch you can keep in any direction. When you keep like this, it is like right open conch. And I turn, it is looking left open. This conch can be taken with both right open, left open. Both side looks very same, no any difference. We can do abhishek in both the sides also. Right open, left open conch. Same conch can take as a right open and left open. And now this conch is also becoming very rare. Right open, left open conch is very powerful. Just keep in a puja or business place enough, it will remove all negative energy and gives you great success. Gives you full blessings of Goddess Mahalakshmi. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.